In this video, I'm going to give you 5 top SEO benefits for small businesses. Also, I will put some information, statistic and trends why SEO is so important still in 2020. And also, I will bring some information, tips and tricks throughout the video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Hey, what's up marketers? Eduard Dziak here from b2bdigitalmarketers.com, and I've been doing SEO for over 10 years, and each year brings different challenges and different changes to stay on top of the search engines. And even though for many businesses and SEO marketers, SEO is a big struggle, but the benefits are so high that we cannot ignore it anymore. So let's get to the 5 top SEO benefits for small businesses. The first benefit: SEO brings consistently high-quality leads for your business. According to HubSpot, 60% of marketers say that the SEO is the highest source of leads for their business. And this is because SEO is focused on increasing your web traffic for your business. And lead generation is focusing on increasing the number of customers and prospects for your business as well. This has a strong correlation, as it is not just any web traffic, but rather it focuses on driving high quality targeted traffic for your website. According to Junto, 57% of B2B marketers say that SEO generates more leads than any other of their marketing initiatives. Which means bringing people with searches related to your products or services. And with SEO, you can be the first one who can answer those searches. Therefore, you can start capturing those potential customers for your business while you sleep, work, or being on holiday, as long as the people searching for your products or services. The second benefit is SEO can bring the highest ROI for your business. According to Search Engine Journal Audience, the SEO has the highest ROI out of all digital marketing strategies for businesses. But it doesn't mean that you should leave all your digital marketing strategies and focus only on SEO, as we need to create a comprehensive and seamless customer journey for our target audience. I'm just bringing all this data to show you how SEO is important for small business, especially when it can bring amazing results for your business. So what I'm trying to say is that you can no longer ignore SEO, as it is important and essential part for every business, without a doubt. Remember, SEO is a long-term investment, and it takes a while to see a positive results from your investment, as you are building an asset for your company by investing in SEO. The third benefit is SEO improves targeting and conversion rate. As I already mentioned, SEO is focused on attracting visitors that are actively searching for your products or services. Therefore, it makes it an excellent tactic for lead generation. No surprisingly, the leads that come from SEO have a 14.6% average conversion rate. For a comparison, traditional strategies like print ads and direct mail have only a 1.7% average conversion rate. Publishing in-depth content is crucial for search engines to love you. Detailed content will position you as an industry leader, helping you to boost your conversion rate and attract a backlinks for your business, which positively influence your ranking as well. The fourth benefit is SEO brings a long-term benefits for your business. I already mentioned that SEO takes a lot of time and effort to get it going, and it is about consistent work that it counts. And there is no really quick wins in the SEO game. Therefore, many businesses are discouraged by this fact that SEO takes a lot of time and it doesn't bring results right away, but it takes a year or two to see something positive. But once you pass this development stage and your SEO start really taking off, then you can be sure that this investment start bringing lots of fruits for a long time. Unlike advertising such as PPC, which you can pay expensively and get the traffic and conversion within a day, but once you stop it, that's it. There is no more conversion, no more traffic, which is a quick win for your business. But again, it's very expensive to drive traffic and conversion by PPC. On the other side, the more you will reinvest in SEO, the better your SEO will be. Even though you will stop your SEO for a while, you will see a result for a long time. But of course, if you leave it, then your SEO eventually will fall as well. But it is not like it will stop driving a traffic and conversion rate right away, like a PPC. And before we move on, please subscribe for my YouTube channel and like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below what's your top benefit for your organization that SEO gave you, or even for yourself. The fifth benefit is SEO makes your brand more credible, as the better ranking you have, the better your brand looks like in the eyes of searchers. When your website shows up in the first, second or third spots in the online search, it gives the searcher the idea that you've been probably around for a long time and that you are top in your niche. And this is extremely important, as the more people trust the brand, the more likely they will buy from the brand. Therefore, brands have heavily invested into the SEO to get on the top of the ranking, to earn the trust and credibility of their customers. And SEO brings so much more than just those 5 benefits I have just mentioned. But I hope you got the point and start looking into the SEO for your small business. Just be aware of that SEO takes quite a bit of work. And even though me and my team, we are quite experienced in SEO, we still cannot manage everything by ourselves. Therefore, we usually turn for help on Upwork or Fiverr to search for qualified SEO marketers to help us with our work. So check out the link in the description where you can find the links for those platforms and search for your own SEO marketers to help you to rank better and start driving qualified leads for your business. And that is all from me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel and like this video if you like it. And leave the comment below what you think about having SEO for your small business.